Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best mini refrigerator reviews. Keep breast milk fresh at home or on the go with the alpicool mini refrigerator. Compact yet powerful, this small freezer works in rooms, cars, or homes, maintaining optimal temperatures. Portable, energy efficient, and easy to clean, perfect for safe milk storage anytime.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.